What's your name? Sino ikaw?
Anita Tan.
Anika Tan. So right now, sino ka? What's your princess name?
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. So pretty. That's good. How old are you?
3 old.
3 years old. Oh. What's your kuya's name?
Toya Rabbit.
He said to go faster, please.
Okay. Oh. What's your other kuya's name? Okay. Kuya. Kuya Anton.
Say goodbye.
Kuya Anton. Kuya Anton, sino ka? Who's your character?
Spider-Man.
Okay. Sige, kuya. Kuya, sandali.
This knows how to shoot.
Oh, who wants to have a lot of candies later?
Hey!
No crying. No crying. Kuya, sige na. Don't let her cry.
Si Toya.
Oo nga. What's the name of...
Alice Toya.
Okay. Alis na si kuya. Okay. Tapos, do you want to have a lot of...
1 minute more.
Okay. Okay. Just wait downstairs. Thank you. What do you want to get later? Lots of...
Puzzle.
Oh, do you want lots of candy or chocolate? What?
Candy.
Wow, you want lots of candy.
Chocolate candy.
I see. So what else? How do you call Ate Denise again? How do you call Ate Denise?
Hi.
How do you call Ate Denise? Huh? How do you call Ate Denise? Ate Denise, yeah? How do you call her?
Ate Denise.
Mm-hmm.
Ate Denise.
I'm back. Sabi no.
I'm
back.
Ayaw.
Oh, okay. Do you like riding in ano? Do you like riding in airplane?
Oh,
Oh, I'll get it.
but,
Oh,
but,
oh. Ito. Wow, pretty naman. Teka, ito na lang. Ito.
ow, ow.
Wait. Oh. Let's see. Ate Denise. Anong name ng mami mo?
Mommy, Ate
Oh, what about daddy?
Daddy, you're not.
Oh, very good. What's the name of kuya?
Toya
Very
Aton.
good. What's the name of your other mommy? Yung nasa Canada, what's her name? Mommy?
Mommy, Atonet.
Yung isa mo pang mommy. Di ba may isa ka pang mommy na tinatawag?
Huh?
Di ba may isa ka pang maming tinatawag? Si mommy?
Mommy, Atonet.
No, the other one. You're calling the other. Meron pang isa, di ba?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Si Mommy Ting, di ba?
Mommy, Ding.
Tama. Very good, si Bebe. Wow, you're like a princess now with curly hair. Right?
Because Toya Rabbit said it's hamper for me, and then we talk like a head.
Oh, yeah? Oh.
And now they talk like a head.
Do you like Chuck E. Cheese last night?
Yup.
Scared ka ba?
I cherry.
Scary?
I want a pumpkin.
Oh, you want Rapunzel but you don't like Chuck E. Cheese? You don't like Chuck
I wanna play.
Oh, likat dito, Denise. Halika.
I said
Show
to
yourself.
break
Come here.
pieces.
Come here. Denise.
Whoa,
Denise.
hold on.
Come on.
Power.
Come on, Denise. Denise. is a video.
Thanks.
Say hi. Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Hi, family. Say hi, family.
Just open your mouth. Ah!
Say hi, family. Come on, say hi, family.
Hi.
Hi, family.
Hi.
Hi, family. It's Happy Halloween. We say Happy
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy
Wait.
smuggling.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Okay. Let me see. Is
Can
it
I
pretty
see?
now?
Can I try?
Hold on. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye. No.
Here you go.